Good morning, residents. This morning I visited Region 7, the former Kungwini municipality, which is also known as Bronkhorstspruit, where I did oversight on basic service delivery. It was quite disconcerting for me to see that in some instances where work needed to be done, that the officials were still sitting without the proper equipment. For example, the blading of gravel roads need to be done urgently because the rains are due now. It already started, in fact, last week, but we're expecting later this month further heavy downpours, and we need to be ready for that. That's why we need to get the gravel roads bladed before that happens. I've also seen that we still have a backlog in replacing street lights where previously we had metal poles in place that were stolen by members of the community, and we started a capital project by replacing these poles with concrete poles. That program unfortunately has been delayed, and I want to see that it's up and running as soon as possible. And then I've had a look at the wastewater treatment plant in Bronkhorstspruit. Apparently the plant hasn't been working for a few months because the plant has been vandalized, because we haven't had proper protection in place, and we will have to see that we put proper protection in place once we've now got the plant up and running again. We're busy procuring parts for the plant because it's very necessary that we treat the waste at that plant before we pump it through to the Ekangala wastewater treatment plant, because that will ensure that eventually acceptable levels of clean water will then be pumped into our rivers. And furthermore, I've seen they started with the road markings, which is long overdue, due to the fact that when we were placed under administration, there was no a paint available for road markings. You need a specialized type of paint. You can't just use any paint. And finally the paint has arrived, and they've been busy with road markings for the last month already. So that was my oversight. Still a lot that needs to be done. We're not where we would want to be, but we will get there. I thank you.